In this session, let us learn about hyperbolic functions. Hyperbolic functions. NumPy provides the union functions sin h, cos h and tan h that take values in radians and produce the corresponding sin h, cos h and tan h values. See the example, find sin h value of pi by 2. See here, by executing this code, the result returns this. Find cos h values for all of the values in array. Example here, see here, by executing this code, the result returns this. Finding angles. Finding angles from values of hyperbolic sin, cos, tan. Example, sin h, cos h and tan h inverse, arc sin h, arc cos h, arc tan h. NumPy provides union functions arc sin h, arc cos h and arc tan h that produce radian values for corresponding sin h, cos h and tan h values given. See the example, find the angle of 1.0. See, if you execute this code, the result is 0 point something 888137 like this. Angles of each values in arrays. Find the angle of all of the tan h values in array. See, to find tan h, np.arc tan h array, by executing this code, the result returns this. Okay friends, this is end of part 42, hyperbolic. Next video, let us learn about operations. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.